Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Make sure you have Yokai Watch 2 and access to post-story areas where rare Robonyan variants spawn. Raise one yokai to around level 30 so battles don't stall, and stock healing items plus at least one yokai bait or favorite food to speed befriending. Save your game before any encounter so you can retry without losing progress. Once saved, position yourself in areas known for robotic or urban yokai spawns and prepare to trigger the specific encounter conditions. Now you focus on the encounter. Roam the recommended urban spawn zones during the correct time window and look for mechanical or cat-like yokai markers. Once Robonyan F appears, immediately weaken it without causing a capture-style knockout. Aim for low HP and status effects that raise befriend chances. Use bait or that yokai's favorite food during the befriending phase and employ soultimates and support abilities to control the fight. If it flees, reload your save and retry under the same conditions. Finish by adding Robonyan F to your party and confirming its medal is registered so you don't lose it. If you can't get it to appear, make sure you've cleared roaming yokai in the area, change the in-game time of day and try again. Sometimes spawn windows are tight. If befriending repeatedly fails, swap to a higher-level companion to control the fight, use different bait types, and perform save-reload cycles between attempts. This often resolves spawn or affinity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.